Who will it be?
Thank you, and welcome to the Bateman family house on New Year's Eve. It is Celebrity Chop Night, and we have lots of chefs for you to meet, including one who's traveled from far away. Let's meet them. Cody and Sadie, welcome to Chopped. How do you guys know each other?
We're married.
Yeah, I was gonna say, yeah.
What do you want to know?
Do we have a competition?
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Bailey and Tess, tell us about yourselves.
Well, she's a nurse, so that's all you really need to know.
And she is a student / actress
Thank you.
/ singer / greatest sister ever.
Thank you.
Cole, tell us about yourself.
My name's Cole, here to cook.
What do you normally do?
Normally I cook.
All right, chefs, welcome to round one. This is the appetizer round. You're gonna have 30 minutes. Here are our 4 mystery ingredients, which all need to be incorporated in your meal. Mangoes, naan bread, sweet mini peppers. Our final secret ingredient is water chestnuts. Chefs, you have 30 minutes to prepare your entrees. Go. Tell me secretly, what are you thinking for your appetizer round? What's going through your head as you see those 4 ingredients?
I'm thinking they're all pretty tasty. What I'm thinking.
You know what? I don't know how to cut mango.
I hate mango, so I'm letting Sadie deal with all that because I think it's disgusting.
You don't like mango?
No, it's gross.
What are you thinking with this mango dish?
Oh, we're just rolling with the punches.
I'm really excited for this dish. I love mango. My partner doesn't, so I think that's kind of a leg up for me.
Chef Krista, how's the competition going so far?
It looks fierce, and they all look very skilled. I did see some special knife skills over here. It's interesting to see the different ways they slice a mango.
Chef Ala, do you think that they are skilled and know what they're doing?
She does.
20 minutes on the clock, chefs, 20 minutes.
Take that way right there, just a little bit in, not a lot.
Also, my judge over here is she's busy coloring, so it's a little difficult to like run things through with her.
That's a very good idea. Thank you.
I don't have Cole's chopping skills.
Ten minutes, chef, 10 minutes.
Up on a stick.
Vital. Good thing we're just talking about. Let's do it. Let's try. Do we have an extra one? We only have one extra. Okay, let's air fry it and then cut it in half. I think I'm doing a good job.
No, I don't.
Hey, that's
See,
funny.
look, that's exactly what we wanted.
55 seconds, make sure you get it on the plate. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up! All right, Cody and Sadie, tell us about your dish.
We have our mucho mango salsa, made with mangoes and tomatoes, onions, cilantro, lime, and water chestnuts, and our Parmesan naan, Parmesan crusted naan. And it's topped with a bell pepper flour.
And we added a side of guacamole, so you could expand your taste palette, and the guacamole helps bring out the other flavors that we presented in our
Right.
Not tasting mango. I do taste the pepper. I don't taste the water chestnuts or the mango. The presentation was beautiful.
Yeah, the presentation is really beautiful.
Thank you.
You've done a nice job with the little flower thing on top. It's very nice. Thanks.
Thank you.
All right, Chef Bailey and Chef Tess, tell us about what you prepared for us today.
Well, chefs, today we've made for you a sweet mango and pepper salsa with a nice added crunch of the water chestnut. And then to put the salsa on, we have what is essentially a crispy buttered naan chip.
It's got a very good taste. It's got a good mango flavor.
That has a really good flavor. All right, Chef Tate and Chef Bryn, tell us a little bit about your dish.
So this is called the bite-sized Hawaiian delight. So basically, we've taken the mini bell peppers and we heated them, and then we put in a mixture of the mango, the water chestnuts with some grilled chicken, and then we've also added some toasted naan bread to kind of help give that Hawaiian barbecue smoky flavor with the grilled chicken. We hope you guys like it.
I'm tasting the mango.
That's really nice. I like the sweet peppers. The chicken was a nice addition to that. It gives it some more. Yeah, I really like that.
Thank you.
Well, that's very nice. All right, Cole, tell us about your dish.
So it's a pretty simple dish, just toasted garlic naan topped with a veggie cream cheese that I've incorporated the mango and the pepper into. And then I also added some jalapeno for some added heat to go with that mango flavor as well. And then topped it with the toasted chestnut, water chestnut.
I'm tasting the pepper. Not so much the mango, but it's a good blend.
It does have a good flavor.
Thank you.
Really
Thank you,
good flavor.
Chef.
Thank you, Chef.
Thank you.
Well, it's a fierce competition. There's a lot of good dishes. We wanted to eat them all. I am worried about the water chestnuts and the mango not being tasted, but to be fair, no one's ever tasted a water chestnut.
I think we did really well. I think we did good. I'm proud of how our flavors.
We lacked a little bit in presentation, but I think we made up for it with how yummy it was.
I think all our flavors came out really nice.
Yeah, it was a good mix of flavors.
What do you think we did?
How do you think we did?
It's beautiful.
Thank you.
I think I did all right.
Thank you, everybody, for a great round. You guys all did really good. This was a tough decision, okay? We had to chop somebody, so don't take offense.
It was
We
really
chopped
hard to
you.
get by.
3 hours later.
But it just came down to little things, okay? And so, shall we reveal? No! Cody and Sadie, you've been chopped. Sorry, that was a really tough decision.
It was a great opportunity. We really enjoyed working together and with the other teams.
If you had it to do over, what would you change?
I'd probably add more mango.
Yeah, and sabotage Cole.
All right, chefs, welcome back. This is round 2. This is the entree round. I'd like to welcome our new celebrity guest.
Thank you.
Aspen, can you tell us a little bit about yourself and your qualifications to be a celebrity judge on Bateman Family Chopped?
I'm 17 years old. I'm Tate's best friend.
So does this give Tate a leg up in the competition?
No.
Or
I thought about that on the way over here. No, it doesn't. I swear.
All right. Let's go ahead and reveal the mystery items for the entree round. Item number 1, a rotisserie chicken.
Yes.
Item number 2, sparkling red grape juice cocktail. Item number 3, bok choy. And our mystery ingredient, item number 4, tejocotes. also known as the Mexican Hawthorne apple. Chefs, you have 40 minutes. All right, chefs, go. You ever had a tejocote?
No, I've not. I've not had bok choy either.
Try it.
2 ingredients.
Can you eat the? Is the outer poison?
No.
I'm cleaning chicken. I used to work in a rotisserie chicken restaurant.
Huh?
Know how to do it a little bit.
Disgusto el barfo.
It's like biting into a citrusy potato. Oh, that was sour.
Yeah, it's like a not so good green apple.
Doesn't that double as a saute?
Why does it say 30?
And then hit start. What are you chopping up there, Jay?
Bell peppers.
Make sure your chicken's cooked all the way through.
Water in there.
I'm thinking that they have got to be really creative to figure out how to get these
Yeah,
Hawthorne
these are
apples in here.
Gonna
Might
be
need a little
difficult.
extra time with those.
Do you like that actually, or are you just saying?
Yeah, I'm just trying to think of what I use.
Making a reduction sauce here, Chef Cole.
We're just testing stuff out right now. I don't know what to do with this.
Hopefully it'll be good.
Ten minutes, Chef. 10 minutes.
Good. It is.
What's in the cauldron, Bryn?
It is bok choy. Sorry it's smoky, everybody, but it's gonna be good.
Look at that layer of steam hanging in the air. 7 minutes, Chef.
Oh yeah, that was good.
I don't think every dish is gonna get plated.
Oh, that's hot. That was beautiful.
30 seconds, chefs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We have an Argentine-inspired stir fry. We have incorporated the Mexican Hawthorne apple, diced and in the stir fry, along with the rotisserie chicken.
The bok choy is delicious.
Oh, it's sweeter than I thought it was going to be, but it's like a good sweet.
The rotisserie chicken you incorporated really well with the egg on top. That's a really good dish.
Thank you. Thank you, Chef. Today we have a creamy chicken, bok choy, and Hawthorne apple Alfredo for you.
So we did a red sparkling grape juice reduction where we sauteed in the bok choy and the Hawthorne, and then we added in the chicken and we made it a nice creamy sauce.
I like that it's kind of sweet. It's very creamy, which is good, and you can taste the chicken. And I like that it's pasta because I like pasta.
That's really good. That has a really good creamy taste.
I would definitely ask you to make this for me again.
All right, thank you, Chef.
So today I have 2 Asian-inspired entrees. One's more of a side, I suppose. We've got a stir fry with the bok choy and the Hawthorne apples, hailing all the way from Mexico. Yep, so it was Brussels sprouts, Hawthorne apples, and bok choy, and then sauteed in just the sparkling red grape juice. And then for the side, it was a rotisserie Asian wrap with different flavors, and then it's got the bok choy in that as well.
There's a zingy Asian sauce flavor in it. A little bit of heat. Nice crunch to it.
I do like the heat. I'm a spicy person, so that's good. I like that it's crunchy.
Chefs, you guys did an amazing job. Thank you very much for those dishes. They were great. This was a hard decision. It was eyelash as far as who was who. We all thought they were really good. So anyway, without talking too much. Bryn and Tate, you've been chopped.
That was so yummy.
It was really, really yummy. Team Bryn and Tate, you guys got chopped.
Yes, we did.
They were.
think that everyone had really yummy dishes.
We just took the risk.
We had a lot of fun.
And I think it makes us the better chefs for it.
I think we had a lot of fun.
Hi, and welcome to round 3 of the Bateman Family Chop. This is actually day 2. We ran out of time yesterday, and so hair and makeup may not be exactly the same. But we are ready for round 3, the dessert round. Chefs, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
The secret ingredients today. Our first secret ingredient is wonton wrappers. Our second secret ingredient is Mama Lupe's churro-flavored tortillas, mascarpone cheese, and today's secret ingredient is chayote squash. All right. Alexa, can you set a timer for 30 minutes?
30 minutes, starting now.
Okay, go.
I don't even know how to cut it. Let's just see what happens.
I'm just trying to figure out what to say.
Any part of it poisonous? Do we know? We're going for it.
I'm thinking we're gonna make a nice filling for these and then figure out what to do with the wonton wrappers.
I'm thinking if I slice them thin, then they'll be thinner. That's my thought process at the moment. If you want full disclosure.
10 minutes on the clock. 10 minutes, chefs. 30 seconds, chefs. 30 seconds.
Will those wrinkle with cream on them?
It's gonna get a mess.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time's up. Chef Bailey and Chef Tess, what do you have for us?
We have for you a churro wrap with a mascarpone cheese and fruit squash filling.
Does it have a shorter name?
Churro wrap.
All right, churro wrap.
Mmm. Oh, yeah, the wontons are really good.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, chef.
Mmm. I really like that. It's got an apple pie flavor to it.
All right, Cole, what do you have for us?
So I have 2 little dessert bites for you. One is going to be both are going to be featuring this chayote squash, I believe it's called. They're both also going to be featuring a mascarpone, kind of a vanilla chocolate sauce. Hopefully it's held its integrity. One is going to be in a wonton wrapper with cinnamon and sugar, and the other is going to be in a churro wrapper.
That's really good. I really like the chocolate in it. It definitely adds. That's very good. Thank you.
That mascarpone is really sweet and has a nice crunch of the chayote squash. I think I prefer this one, but this one's also really good too. Thank you.
Chefs, welcome back. You both teams did a great job. Both of the things tasted great. There was some running out of time that I think happened at the end. So let's go ahead and reveal.
Yeah.
Chef Cole.
No, it makes sense.
You've been chopped.
I get that.
Bailey and Tess, you are our chop champions. How do you feel?
Amazing.
Good.
I feel so good.
You earned it. You did very well.
You know what we're gonna do with our $10,000?
What are you going to do with your prize money?
We're going to Disney World!
That's where you go when you win.